is the best dog. La 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 la.
Okay, so basically over the weekend, my family ordered frozen yogurt takeout, so it was delivered to our house and all. And in the bag that it was delivered in, they gave this paper. It's like a kid's coloring sheet thing. Yeah, which honestly isn't anything, and normal people would have just like thrown it out or used it as scrap paper or something. But for some odd reason, the first thing that entered my mind was I should teach my dog how to paint this whole thing. So yes, this video will document me teaching my dog how to paint. Okay, so these are the paints that I have, and they have like these numbers on them because they were from a paint by numbers kit. And so I thought I would just use these paints and make use of the colors that I have, and also mix the colors together and see what would fit best on this painting. So right now I'm just gonna mark it out. Hi Caramel! I'm excited to paint. So I started out by mixing the paint for the first colour that I was planning to use, and I originally wanted to mix for all the colours, but luckily I didn't because he really did not want to paint. And actually what I wanted him to do was to give his paw to the plate before eating the treat, and then getting him to stamp that same paw onto the paper to create his paw print effect. But no, he did not want to do that. But I guess my mistake was that I thought it would be a good idea to make him paint in the bathroom so that it would be easy to wash up when his paws get dirty. But I casually forgot that he really does hate taking baths and the bathroom by association. So there was no way he was going to stay there and calmly paint. So here's a minute or so of me failing to get him to paint, which involved a lot of begging him and like, please caramels, getting bitten, and then him stealing his treats. Yeah, disappointing. But here I decided not to give up because content and I wanted to film something. So I devised an actual plan on how to teach him how to paint. Caramel, look here! First, you must put your paw on the plate. Smell. Then put your paw on this paper. Caramel, smell. done. Now we're cleaning Caramel's house and the kitchen, and then okay, Caramel. How do you feel now? You become a painter, you know? Okay, so this is how the kitchen looks like after the whole painting event for little Caramel, who probably is very angry with me now. Yeah, so things not to do. I don't know, this is like a good example of nothing better to do, so I found my own problem. But I guess now I have a painting done by my dog, which not a lot of people have. And after quarantine, I'm probably gonna go out and buy a frame just to hang this up on my wall or something. Also, somewhat ironically, but once I was done painting and cleaning the kitchen, I went on Instagram, and this was the first ad I saw for freaking painting by numbers but painting your dog, as though to tell me I should paint pictures of my dog and not make my dog paint pictures instead. Yeah, so I felt this was a personal attack, very rude. Anyway, so here's a video clip of him bathing after painting because of how dirty his paws became. But if you watched it here, thank you so much. And yeah, I don't have a prodigy for a dog, but I had fun making this whole thing. So yeah, bye!